All right, guys, next up, it's time for break number 2 of our Gold Rush 7th inning stretch baseball. So you've got 4 packs in each box. Could be hobby, retail, a bunch of different series, including 2018 Topps Update. You've got 2 Topps Project 2020 cards, and then you've got 1 Gem Mint or 1-of-1 card per box. So some cool stuff that you can find in here. And this is a random team break, so every spot gives you 3 random teams. So Ricky, you've got 1 spot in this. Josh B with 1. Seth has got 1. Tony, you've got 1. Roger's got 2. Matthew C with 3. And then Arturo closed us out with the last spot. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the 30 teams in this. We'll mix it up 5 times. All right, so 3 teams per spot. Let's mix this up 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Arturo, you've got the Cubs, the Reds, and the White Sox. Josh has got the Tigers, Nats, and the Indians. Matt, you've got the Cardinals, Red Sox, Rays, Brewers, Blue Jays. The Dodgers, Orioles, Diamondbacks, and Yankees. Ricky, you've got the Angels, Mariners, and the Marlins. Roger's got the Twins, Giants, Padres, Rangers, Rockies, and Astros. Seth with the Pirates, Royals, and A's. And then Tony, you've got the Phillies, the Mets, and the Braves. All right, so there are your teams. All right, guys, good luck. All right, save this for the end. There are the packs. So all cards will ship. Here's your first 2020, and it's going to be a Tony Gwynn. That's the Andrew Thiel, number 261 out of this. Nice one there for the Padres. And then the second project card, nice Willie Mays. It's going to be Blake Jameson. Anybody else dive headfirst into this last spring? Last whatever it was, May, June? All right. So here are the packs. So we've got Heritage 2019. I think that may be the base. We got Topps Chrome from 2020. Got 2020 Update, and then you got 2020 Baseball UK Edition. All right, so here is your first one. All right, we got Eric Davis for the Reds. Got a nice Derek Jeter. Got Alex Verdugo. And then you got a Zach Wheeler for the Phillies. So the Verdugo is obviously Boston, not the Dodgers. All right, this is a sepia refractors. So you got Aaron Judge, got Aquino, nice Reds rookie there. Manzara for the White Sox, and then you got a Kevin Biggio for Toronto. You hit both the project cards? All right, here's your heritage. We got Mike Leake, Shane Green for the Tigers. You got Matt Shoemaker for the Angels, Castellano for the Tigers, Polanco, some guy, another guy, Hernandez for the Phillies, and then Nelson Cruz for the Twins. So nothing crazy in that. And then here is your last pack. All right, we got a Future Stars Carter Kieboom. Nice gold number to 25. All right. Nice one there. Nice one there for the Nats. Case that one up. We got a Carlos Santana. Another Nelson Cruz. Got Garrett Cole. Got Stroman for the Mets. Gonzalez for the Mariners. Got Austin Hayes. Gosh, they got these things all turned around. Jonathan Villar for Miami. You got Kevin Newman, Future Stars for Pittsburgh. And then you got a Sonny Gray for Cincinnati. So nice Kieboom out of that. So then here is your graded card auto. This is the special card in this one. Oh, man. We'll take a 1 of 1. How about an Aroldis Chapman? Dude, that is a sick one there. If I can get the glare off. You got the logo man MLB patch there. It is the New York Yankees. That is from Museum. 2020 Topps Museum. Nice one there. So the Yankees, Matt C., that's you, buddy. All right, so we finished strong at least. So we'll get all these cards in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And appreciate you guys joining us on the 7th inning stretch from Gold Rush.